Everybody. Today I'm diving into neurology, and something exciting I'm looking forward to sharing with you is I have just launched a new section on my website to help us neurodiverse individuals and our loved ones and anybody who's interested to learn more about the 99 plus traits in that neurodiversity category. Whether you're new to this or already on your journey, this resource is something that will be incredible for you. My simple, easy way to show neurodiversity and how it gets measured. So when people get neurological tests, when people go in for ADHD, dyslexia, those types of testings, they test on a wide variety of things. One of the ways that they identify that someone is neurodiverse is the test results come back and they look like the right side of this graph. They have some major highs and some major lows. My example is my spelling is that super low mark. And my communication is that very high mark and line above it. Not uncommon at all. But that means those traits that are very high or very low are different than normal, neurodiverse. So here it is. Here's the awesome neurodiverse traits and definitions page. Pretty simple, nice introduction, and then check this out. I've got this awesome chart that I highly recommend you can print off if you want. You can start to circle those traits that you're starting to recognize. You can circle things that you don't know much about. If you see something you're like, I don't know about that, that's where this is so valuable. Scroll down, these are in alphabetical order, and you can find the item that you want to learn more about. Let's say it's impulsivity. Let's learn more about that. It's going to describe it in detail. Then it's going to go into how that might present in the world, and then some supporting strategies. This page has 900 plus definitions. So I strongly encourage you to check out the link down below or around, explore these traits, learn more about yourself, because that is where the success lies. It lies in your ability to have choices, and you get to choose how you're going to handle situations. You get to choose so many aspects of life. You just may not realize that because your traits, you don't know your traits that well, and they are running the show. And guess what? That doesn't have to be how it goes. Once you understand you better, you get to make new choices. And in doing that, you get to thrive. And that's what I love making happen. I'm Joy Gina, International Neurodiversity Coach. Thanks for checking out my video. But hey, more importantly, go check out this page and learn a lot more about you. Bye now.